It's better to wake up in the morning and follow up on something that you would like to do than waking up in the morning just for the money.
In today's world, most people are taught the opposite. We are told to chase stability, income, and security. We wake up, rush through our mornings, and step into routines that feel automatic. Days turn into weeks, weeks into years, and somewhere along the way, we stop asking a very important question. Why am I doing this? Shi Heng Yi's teaching is not about rejecting money. Money is necessary. It supports life. But the problem begins when money becomes the only reason we move forward. Because when your only motivation is money, something inside you slowly disconnects. You wake up tired. You feel heavy even before the day begins. You count hours instead of living them.
The truth is, whoever is seeing this video right now, in 100 years, they're all not here anymore. So what is the truth? The truth is our lifetime, what we have right now, it's very, very precious. With the knowledge of our lifetime has an end, my mission, my wish for you is to really contemplate about how do you want to spend this lifetime? In what do you want to invest this lifetime? And therefore, it doesn't need to be Shaolin. It doesn't need to be any specific person that you follow, but whatever decision you are taking in your personal life, just always take care and ask yourself this question: is this really what you want to do with your lifetime? And I do feel like this tradition of Shaolin has many, many different tools that you can equip yourself with and then take your life into your own hands and create your life you want and not what people expect from you.
When you truly realize that your time is limited, your priorities begin to change. You stop wasting energy on things that don't matter. You stop seeking constant approval from others. You stop living on autopilot. Instead, you begin to ask deeper questions. What am I doing with my time? Am I living intentionally or just reacting to life? Most people move through their days unconsciously. They follow routines, responsibilities, and expectations without ever stepping back to examine if those things are aligned with who they truly are.
Feet, we are placing them together. Stand straight, both palms in front of the chest. Sleep and bow. Elbows lift up, inhale. Fill the chest, exhale, hands down. Left leg, step out. Inhale. Palms facing down, exhale. And again, inhale. And exhale. In and out. Now we are inhaling, our movement stays the same, but the feet at the same time. You inhale and push up on the toes.
By synchronizing breath and movement, the body activates the parasympathetic nervous system. This shifts you from survival mode into a state of rest, digestion, and healing.
Exhale, heel down. Inhale, heel up. exhale, heel down. And continue with this exercise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time. Inhale. And exhale. We continue 8 more times. In. Turn the hands, palms down. Exhale, heel down, arms down to the ground. Palms face upwards again. Inhale. Turn the palms. Exhale. And in. Out. And in.
Stress is not only in the mind, it stores itself in the shoulders, the back, the stomach.
And
Through flowing, mindful movements, Qigong releases these tensions one by one,
4
like
more times.
untying knots.
Open the chest, palms face down, exhale. 3 more times. In. Palms facing downwards, exhale. And 2 more times. In. And down. And 1 more time. In. And out. Okay, the feet are around shoulder wide, maybe a little bit wider, but around shoulder wide. Then the knees slightly bend them a little bit. So don't straighten them all the way, it's just a slight bend. Very little. Very little. So place your attention for the moment on the complete surface of the foot. So not too much in front of the toes, not too much on the heels. Now try to have it balanced, even. So maybe with a little bit of focus right below. Let me show you. Right here in this area. This is where your center of gravity, this is where you're focusing right now while you are standing. This is the point where you're standing on. Watch your breath. Inhale, exhale. Stay at this point. So then very slowly we just start to concentrate our mind on the right foot and also our spine. We move over to the right leg. So a lot of weight right now should be on your right leg. Then very slowly, legs and knees still bend. Slowly, spine straight, back to the center, all the way to the left side. And now spine is exactly over the left foot. Rest of the body is relaxed.
When the breath becomes deep and natural, the
Slowly
mind follows.
shift
The heart beats slower. You are no longer in the future or past. You are in the now.
Right leg. Now we are using our breath to help us. When I move to the left side, I inhale. When I'm above the leg, I exhale and concentrate on the foot. Moving to the other side, inhale. Exhale. To the foot. Inhale. And exhale on the foot. Inhale, switch to the right side. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Okay, stay focused. Only this. Switch to the left, to the right side. Inhale. And exhale. Switch back to the left side. Inhale. And exhale. Two more times. Inhale. And exhale. Right leg. One more time. In.
A regular practice of this exercise transforms emotional energy. Anxiety becomes alertness. Restlessness becomes vitality. Sadness becomes sensitivity.
We're adding some balancing exercise. So inhale to the right side. Exhale. Leg up. Then step back down. Inhale. Left leg. Exhale. Leg down. Inhale. Back to the right leg. In. And out. Step down. Shift the weight. Inhale. And up. Leg down. Shift the weight. Inhale. Exhale. Up.
Your hands move like waves. Your thoughts settle like still water. This movement cleanses not just the body, but also the emotional burden inside.
Foot. Step down. Shift the weight. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah. Continue with the exercise. Foot. Touch the floor. Then consciously move the weight onto the right foot. Feel how it's traveling to the right leg. Left leg is getting light. Because it is light, then it's easy to lift up the leg. So in this position, your spine, your chest, yeah, the right leg, the right foot, it's all in a straight line, so you can have a reference point and keep the balance. afterwards, first left leg. Yeah, it's still balanced. Keep the balance. Then touch the floor consciously. Bring the weight onto the left leg, right leg, empty, and up. And step down. Inhale. Exhale. Step down. Inhale. Exhale. And 4 more times. Continue. Right leg. Step down. Consciously shift the weight onto the right leg. And exhale, foot up. Then leg down. Shift the weight, inhale. And exhale, up. Right leg down. Shift the weight, inhale. Exhale.
This leg movement is about inner harmony, learning to balance opposites, stress and calm, effort and surrender.
Inhale. Exhale, up. And last time. Foot down. Shift the weight. And up. Okay, then back to the center.